So, ladies and gentlemen, japancrate! There it is. A box of delicious Japanese food all the way from Japan. Actually from Japan, not a UK company making Japanese food. And if you go like this, subscribe now, you'll see just how amazing it is. Mini box, 5 items, free shipping worldwide. Original, 10 items, free shipping worldwide. And then the premium box, which is probably that one, $35, 18 to 20 items, includes a drink, DIY kit, which I never ever do. Limited edition bonus item, don't think I ever get that. And free shipping worldwide. It's... Ooh, it's food! Yum, yum, yum! Oh, God. I actually have a bag here as well, just so I can air if I need to. That's a very, very broken Angry Bird Choco Balls. I'm gonna guess these are chocolate balls. Oh no. How do we... Aha! Easy to get into. Right. Get out. Do you know when something like smells so strong of chocolate? That is incredible. Like, wow, that's overpowering. Something makes me think this isn't entirely just chocolate. Oh, the camera's going to pick this up, isn't it? Camera! There we go. Can you see all the pink bits? What's going on there? That... Now I understand all this bit. You know those sweets you have that crackle in your mouth? That's what's inside them. I wasn't expecting that when all the crackling went off. I was like, what's going on with my ears? That was unusual, but it wasn't the worst thing. Oh, there's so many things. Dinosaurs, the world is yours or something, I don't know. Look at all the dinos. They're so colourful, the packets, they're always so colourful. And squishy, so hopefully this is just jellies, maybe? But why does everything smell so strong? Oh, they're like cola. Look, there's a... I don't know what that is. That's a thing that's had a real bad accident. Coca-Cola flavoured. I ate them all. Coca-Cola flavoured. Just bit my tongue. Flavoured. Sweetie things of stuff. That was actually quite nice. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, item 3. Almost forgot it to count. I love the way Japanese do the sweet. Look at this. That's like all kinds of crazy. That is some sort of party I want to be invited to. Just what on earth? You see this in a shop and just go, I fancy that. It looks explosive. So this should be... This could be fun. I mean, I'm not even sure if we can... What is that? It's like some sort of random paraphernalia. It smells horrible. How do you... What? Why did I put it in my hand? Why didn't I just pour it out of the packet? Chat, why'd you let me do these things? Oh, God. No, that was a mistake. Oh, now it's exploding. And the whole pack of it all over me. This is not a nice feeling. Oh, amazing. Next item, japancrate. Lovely, lovely foods. Ah, this looks questionable. Look at the happy little pandas. What is this guy doing? What's the deal here? This is unusual. Bit squishy. Panda thing, kitten cat. I don't know what that is. It's a little ball of block. A little ball of block. Yeah, I graduated from school. It's just a squishy ball of, I don't know. Mmm. That tastes like marzipan. But like, really sticky marzipan. I don't even know what's going on. Look at it. Purple thing explodes with random stuff. What is this? What is this meant to be? Some sort of delicious thing? Hopefully, I don't know. So much sugar. Oh, it's so full of sugar. Look at all the sugar. Look at that. That's terrifying. Let's try one of these, shall we? That tastes exactly like strawberry if you took a strawberry and rubbed it on the inside of a sweaty boot. Oh, I've had these. I've had these before. These taste like washing up liquid. These aren't very nice. I already know what these are going to taste like. They're going to taste like me vomiting. It literally tastes like a bar of soap. Oh, this looks alright. This looks like... Nope, this doesn't look alright. This looks terrifying. I was going to say, it looks like some sort of sugar puff kind of thing, but milk and coffee taste. Just drink coffee. Why would you want milk and coffee? My hands are covered in everything. This is minging. Milk and... What? Is this a... I'm just going to eat them as they are. I don't care. I'm not getting a bowl of milk and stuff. Oh, that was a mistake. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. Why, chat, you made me do it again. Why don't I just pour it out of that? Great. Oh. That was sugar puffs dipped in coffee and delicious. 10 out of 10 IGN. Yes. Premium cookie gateau cake. Just smell it, chat. Smell it? I mean, look at it, but smell it if you want. Smell it. Taste it. Look at it. Do something. Lick the screen. Lick it! No, don't. Sugar. How do we get into it? It looks delightful, and I used to love cookies. Just like this looks. Oh, just get in my stomach. I don't like cookies. I don't eat cookies. Well, I mean, I don't, but this gives me a reason too. Ooh, that was nice. Right. I keep looking at this box. There's so much stuff. So many things going on in this. There's a drink of Coke and a drink of, I don't know what that is, meth or something. And then a load of biscuity things. What is this? What? What is this the ingredients? Bird plus squirrel plus nut or equals what? Does anybody have any idea what's going on here? I think this may have been made by someone who was on meth. Stick of purple. Oh. That was harder than I thought it'd be. I think it's grape. Or it could be meth. We'll find out very shortly. It was weird. And then we've got... It's a red packet, it's a brown stick. Well, hopefully it's strawberry and not... Whoa, what's on this one? What does this mean? What's that? Onion thing plus pig plus marshmallow equals... Camera's having a seizure. Just... Why don't I take little bites? Because, you know, what's the point in that? Standard flavour cola sweet, I guess. It's melon. It's a watermelon, I think. That's probably a watermelon. Don't know why I'm dancing. Watermelon. I don't know. Watermelon things don't tend to taste very nice. But, ugh. I can smell the food and it doesn't smell good when it's mixed together. I can't get in the packet. Wait, no it's not. It's a lie. How do we get into this? That almost came with a prize. Oh, looks like a fizzy chewity thing. Yum yum. Tastes like sweat.
I'm having a breakdown, chat.
Tastes like sweaty watermelon. Oh, this looks alright. I think. Peaches, maybe? Is this peaches? Moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches? Nicola! Sticks of peach. That's what we all want in life. Stick of peach. Oh, these are all packeted. That's a bit bigger than what they were showing on here. Is there like 90 in a pack? If ever I saw one. Not peach, pear. Why did I think that was peach? That is definitely pear. So many think... What? Who? We're just going to take a minute to look at this. We need you for a modelling job. What do I have to do? Just this. Very, yeah, okay. Japanese, you want oh, there's a billion of them. Oh, that's fine. I can give the rest of them away. Oh, they look like just biscuits. This pack, wow, look at all the flavours, look at all the things. Oh my, everything's going on. There you go. And they smell like... It just tastes like one of these. If you've ever had a biscuit, it tastes like a biscuit. I'm starting to like this box more. Starting to hate this box. Starting to really despise this box incredibly fast. No. It's a lolly. With dippy stuff. Well, that tastes like bleach. I can't wait to taste what this tastes like. Do it for the views. It's garbage. Can't get anything on it. There we go. Well, that's my keyboard destroyed. Cool. Oh, it's a bag of crisps. It's gonna be... Japan! What is the meaning of yourself? Lemons everywhere. Why? Who wants who? Why? Who would want a lemon crate? Come on, who? And the words. Yeah, it smells like lemon. Looks like a crisp. Wow. But it's an extremely lemony taste. Thunder cream soda. What is that? Zunder cream soda? What? What is it? What's this? What is the... I need a minute to recover from the smell of that. Cannot express in words what that tastes like. Hi. Never, don't drink, don't, words. Oh, sugar, wow, oh my god. I can't even remember anything else I've just eaten. That just, there's nothing. There's no taste of anything apart from that in my mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Japancrate. Hope you enjoyed me suffering.